Hello. Welcome to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Today we are going to discuss about few stocks whether we can buy, sell or hold. In our previous videos we discussed about two types of trading. One is short term and another one is long term. I prefer the short term. So there are charting guidelines how to sell the stock in short term. So please watch our previous videos for that. From this week, every week we want to discuss about few stocks be having the rating from our knowledge. So we are giving these ratings on our own knowledge based on the information we gathered it from the internet and from different sources, either from different WhatsApp group or from friends. We got that information. So this information, don't take it as your personal. Based on our recommendation, you need not to buy, sell or stocks. It is up to you. It is your own decision to buy or sell stocks. Okay, so let us start with few stocks. So this analysis on stock market will be having for every week from this week. Okay, let us start off with the one stock. So let us take Google stock. Google stock in 2 weeks ago, it was 1 or 2 weeks ago, it was around $1840. Now it is reduced to around $1720. So it reduced around $120 overall. So why it reduced? Because of some regulatory things or something. Few countries filed case against Google in the courts, so that the stock got reduced for $120 in a week or so. But I am by watching different news and all, this stock could increase that $120 in 1 to 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks. So we have very good opportunity, buying opportunity for Google, and everyone know Google is very big company, the number one search engine company, number one video playing channel, YouTube channel, and it is number one in n number of things. So I prefer Google stock now and sell in coming 2 to 3 weeks once you reached around 1820 or 1840, so that you can get around $100 in 1 to 2 weeks. Another pick, the second stock today we are going to discuss about is Apple and Amazon. So as per my knowledge, due to this holiday season, most of people are buying gifts for holidays and for Christmas. So as per my knowledge, these two stocks may increase further in short term. So why can't we buy? Why can't we buy that stocks for the 2 to 3 weeks? Maybe if you buy right now and sell in 3 to 4 weeks, so that we can earn good returns, maybe 4 to 5% of returns just in a 3 to 4 weeks. So don't lose that opportunity. Buy Apple, Amazon right now. The next stock that we are going to discuss about is General Motors. So as per my knowledge, this is going to be the long term winner, and once we buy this stock, keep it for long term, maybe for a year or more, because General Motors is more concentrating on electrical vehicles. It is the number one already in diesel engine vehicles like pickup trucks and all, but right now they are more concentrating on electric vehicles, and it is actual car company. It is concentrating on electric vehicles. So it will generate or it will produce lot of vehicles in near future, so that it will give for very less price compared to other car makers. So I am giving this long term buying opportunity for this stock General Motors. The sticker is GM. Let us discuss about a few stocks. NIO, Li Auto. These two are Chinese EV companies, and XPEV also one more stock. These three companies are Chinese EVs. Most of them are saying that to sell out. Per my knowledge, I think we need to hold it for some time. Trump has signed to delist the Chinese companies which are not following the auditing rules as per guidelines, US guidelines. They gave 3 years of time for them to show that results or financial reports in that specific regulations. So I think these are very big companies. They will comply with the rules that Trump government wanted, and I am giving hold rating instead of selling right now. I think selling is the clicking on panic button right now. So I am thinking to hold for some time, and if you are seeing $5 to $6 of reduce in the stock, sell out them and buy. You can buy later when you get for cheaper price. That's what I'm thinking. Right now these are the few stocks about EV, and one more EV stock that I want to discuss about here is Workhorse. Workhorse is right now is the small company, and it is looking for it is looking for generating the revenue. But I think in near future this company might be the good one. I think we can add this to our watch list, and maybe in near future we can discuss about whether we can buy this one or not. And other stock I would like to discuss about today is Uber stock. So this is having lot of potentials as per my knowledge, and we are seeing that the newly entered stocks like Grubhub and DoorDash. DoorDash is the very newly entered one. Grubhub entered long back in stock market, and it is almost doubled in 1 or 2 days. So that all these food companies, I mean, are having lot of potentials from users perspective. So these two companies are having lot of potentials from users perspective. I think Uber also concentrating on Uber Eats. So when we see that, we are seeing lot of offers and all, but Uber Eats is having lot of advantage and over these two, DoorDash and Grubhub. So I prefer to buy Uber and keep it for long term, and I think it is going to be the next Amazon per my knowledge. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our channel. Please share this video, subscribe to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickles. Thank you.